Есть разблокировка шифра КБУ. Пошел режим.
Режим пошел.
Russia's Iskander-M ballistic missile once again struck a Ukrainian UAV base. This time, the target was near the village of Holubivka in the Kramatorsk region. Moscow claims dozens of long-range drones were destroyed, along with a command post and several military vehicles. Footage of a massive explosion was quickly released. Flames shot into the sky. The ground shook. Just one missile, yet the impact was enormous. The big question is, how could Ukraine allow such valuable assets to be concentrated in one place, making them so easy to wipe out? This wasn't a standalone strike. That night, Ukraine's skies were swarmed with over 160 Shahed and Geran drones. Air defenses worked frantically. Many were shot down, others jammed by electronic warfare. But one missile slipped through, and it was that Iskander that hit Holubivka. Russia reported that 25 Liutyi drones were destroyed, a command post leveled, 5 military vehicles burned, and dozens of Ukrainian troops killed on site. Are those numbers accurate? They sound huge. Or is Kyiv trying to hide a painful loss that would be difficult to admit? From Kyiv, there was silence. No admission, no denial. Only a statement that most of Russia's drones had been shot down. But people are asking, what about the UAV base at Holubivka? If Moscow exaggerated, why not refute it immediately? And if the strike really happened, why did Ukraine leave such a critical asset exposed? Was this negligence, or a sign that Kyiv is starting to struggle with protecting its long-range UAV operations? Let's talk about Liutyi. It's not an ordinary drone. With a range of over 1,000 kilometers and a 75-kilogram warhead, it can strike factories, air bases, even cities deep inside Russia. Several major attacks over the past year are believed to have used Liutyi. No wonder Moscow considers it a serious threat, and no surprise, Russia would deploy an Iskander, its most feared ballistic missile, just to wipe out a UAV base. But again, the key question remains. Why were so many valuable drones kept in one location? Was it overconfidence on Ukraine's part? Or did Russian intelligence find a hidden weakness? The Iskander is not an ordinary weapon. It's expensive, limited in number, and rarely used unless the target is truly important. With speeds of up to Mach 6 and high maneuverability, it's almost impossible for Ukraine's defenses to intercept. Russia's message is clear. We can destroy your drones before they even launch. For Ukraine, this could be a heavy blow. Yes, they're producing thousands of drones, but losing dozens in a single strike disrupts operations. And Ukraine's silence raises even more speculation. Is their UAV program really as secure as they claim, or is it becoming increasingly vulnerable to Russia's precision strikes? Holubivka is proof of how this war has changed. Tanks and artillery still matter, but the real duel now is between drones and precision missiles. Russia is working to neutralize UAV bases before the threat escalates. Ukraine is trying to keep its drone program alive, even as every launch site risks becoming the next target. So, who has the upper hand here? Will Russia continue to track and destroy UAV bases with pinpoint accuracy? Or will Ukraine bounce back with swarms of new drones, more advanced, more numerous, and harder to detect? And before we wrap up, an important note. Most of the visuals in this video were created with the help of AI. That's because much of the original footage is classified, restricted, or simply not released to the public. These AI visuals are for illustration only. They are not a substitute for the facts. Now, I'd like to hear from you. Do you think the Holubivka strike could be a turning point in the drone war? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget, hit that like, tap subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the latest updates on military technology, geopolitics, and modern warfare. Your support means a lot. It helps this channel keep growing. See you in the next video. This content is created solely for educational and informational purposes. It is intended to provide insights based on verified data, credible sources, and careful analysis. Our goal is to foster a deeper understanding of modern military technology and current events, not to promote or endorse any form of conflict, propaganda, or political agenda. We strictly oppose the spread of misinformation and hoaxes. Every piece of information presented has been carefully sourced from reliable, publicly available references. We encourage viewers to approach the topic with critical thinking and respect for all sides involved, maintaining a focus on knowledge sharing and open discussion.